Hey guys, it's the Collector Brothers here. Big brother Emmanuel, little brother Santiago, and today we're gonna get into some what is this? Spin battlers. They're little collecting action figures. Collectible action figures. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, and we also found this at Barnes and Noble, and it was the first time I've just look at him, man. He's badass. I like the art on that. The wrap itself is just amazing. We found this at our Barnes & Noble, and it is made by Bandai. We checked, and they are cards. So, we're going to get into this last. They were $5.95 at Barnes & Noble. And these are the cards you can get. Oh, I hope we get that Instinct. And there is one more down here if you did not see it. It is made by Bandai, guys, so we're gonna get into this last. Let's get into this.
We got Super Saiyan Trunks.
Dude. And if you haven't seen our last video, please go check it out. Because we just unboxed, I think it was probably like 3 or 4 days ago. We unboxed a Dragon Ball series Trunks, the exact same one. And just to show you, we're just going to show you the action figure. If you want to check out what else came with him. Oh, he does come with the sword. But if you do want to check out what else came with him, just go check out the video. We did unbox him. We did 3 unboxings in that video, so go check it out. Look, they're pretty much alike. Look at that. All right.
The Spin Battlers. We got Vegeta, Frieza, and these spin things. I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, I don't know what this is called.
So
Joysticks. Let's get into it. Let's play a game too. Let's have a little one-on-one match.
well, it came out like that. We got the things that whenever this is Vegeta right here.
What suit does he have? The one whiskey? Nah, it says Saiyan suit armor.
You got Frieza.
Cool little minifigure.
We got these spin things.
Let's show them how they work. Connect them.
I think it's like this.
Yeah. All right, so let's put. I'll be Frieza, I guess. You could be.
I was gonna be Frieza.
All right, you be Frieza. I'll be freaking Vegeta.
You can put Frieza on his tail or on his feet.
Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put. Oh, so you can do his tail.
I'm gonna put him on this tail.
Oh, his little foot fell off. Oh no, that's gonna give me a weakness right there, but it's all right. Alright, I got him on there. No, I did not. Yeah, you can put him right here.
You gotta put a little force in it.
Yeah, he's got a kind of. Yeah, they're. when you put them on, and we'll have Trunks back here watching the fight. I am Trunks. Knock me over. We're gonna have Trunks right there. See what happens. All right, so. Oh, all right, let's go. Da, ga, 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 ga. You will not beat me this time, Frieza. Ga, 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 ga. Oh! Slow motion that.
Just put Trunks in.
Son, let me see if he wears spin on it. No, I'm gonna keep him there. All right, my son. If
Go.
you really say you're my son, you will show me your true strength. Ah! Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Come on, come on. Oh, come on, father. Let's see. Come on. Oh, Trunks beat his dad. All right, they're pretty neat action figures, little mini figures too. They are collectible, and we do already have the complete first series. I think on this series, all we're missing is black, because there's 2 series. Oh, the 3 series, right?
There's 2.
2 right now. There's gonna be 3, and Jern and all them are gonna be out. It's a neat little toy.
No, you're talking about the Dragon Stars.
Oh, that's the Dragon Stars. They won't come out for this. They probably will.
Yeah, probably.
But we'll have to see about that in the future. So, it's a neat little toy. It's cool. You get to play with them, and you get to actually compete with your friends and whoever you want to play with, you know? Brother, sister.
Well, then.
Let's get into this.
You got any scissors? Because I don't want to cut, ruin it.
Here, let me just... We'll open it up like a Cheeto bag.
Just do this now.
Yeah, do that. You do it. We are going to keep the wrap because I like the art on Goku. We just probably put it on the wall, you know. Ooh, got it. Can you get him out? It's alright. That don't matter. We just want Goku.
Let me just rip it off. It won't come out.
Here, let me try it. That's what I maybe should put it like this. Okay, I did manage to actually save the wrap. Sweet! I saved it. Look at him. That's badass art. Why would you not want that? Just to put it on your wall, you know.
They're not even cards.
They're not cards?
It's just one.
It's just one card, guys. We got
Super Saiyan 3 Goku.
We got a Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Oh my god. Should we even take it out?
You want to?
Why? I mean, there would be no need. You could see. Wait. Actually, yeah, check it out. Just to. Try not to mess that thing up. Just to see if it really is just one card.
Yeah, it's just one.
It's just one card, guys. Look at him. Nice art. And it's not it's an actual thick card, and if you feel it right here, it's a great. I like it. We should go get more. We are gonna go get more. So that was it for today, guys. Please stay tuned in because we are gonna be doing unboxing videos today. So yeah, that's what we got to. We did get these at Walgreens.
Toys R Us.
Yeah, we did get them at Toys R Us.
You get the blind packs at Walgreens.
Yeah, you can get the blind packs at Walgreens, but to get the spin battlers, I'll go to Toys R Us, and they are closing Toys R Us. Where else can you get this? I've never seen them anywhere else. Maybe Target, but we'll have to let check you guys out. If you do know where else, other than Toys R Us, please comment down below and let us know. Thank you, and have a great day. Collect Brother saying goodbye.